So with this problem, everything is related to this equation because the kinetic energy is directly proportional to the mass, and it's also proportional to the square of the speed. So that's why, as in part A, if you double the mass, you double the kinetic energy. If you double the speed, as in B, then you actually are quadrupling the speed. So now C, if you were to half the mass, double the speed, that's why you whatever happens to the mass happens to kinetic energy. You cut the energy in half when you double, but you also multiply by you quadruple the speed. So you get the same as in part A. Now in part D, we want to half the speed. So you would divide by 4. That's the same as saying 124 divided by 2 squared. It's the same thing as 4. So, and then in E, they want what happens if we were to triple the mass and half the speed. Well, whatever happens to mass happens to kinetic energy, so it's this multiplied by 3 and then divided by 4. Okay, so this just goes to show that it goes to prove that whatever the change is in the mass, the same is made in the kinetic energy. Whatever the change is in the speed, the square of that change is made into the kinetic energy.